Oh, okay. I'm just gonna try for that Mario right there, and then when it's rigged, I'll be done. It's already on film mode. I don't think I'll play that one. Nothing looks good.
Thank you.
This is the one I won Toad from. Remember that?
Yep.
And what was a miracle? Is that good, you think? The other Mario, because I don't have to play again unless it's a guarantee. I'll play it one more time. That was kind of weird. Just keep it rolling. Keep it up.
Thank you.
See, let's say that was the last rig try. Now it's on set. You know, that's why you never know these. The claw's so wide, though. I don't want. It's hard to see if it's gonna stab. You know. Well, now the green alien man's right behind it. I think I'm good. It's gonna keep hitting the alien. You can just hit. What's up, everybody? I don't know when you'll watch this, but I'm filming this on December 9th. And we'll have 1/4, and I'm gonna put these in it. I didn't have enough quarters to fill that up, so I went and got 40 more bucks, and I'm gonna put that in here so I can fill that up. This exit is so busy. The conveyor belt works. That's some good news. They gave me a little bitty guy, a penguin. Let's call him Tim. I don't know why. Kind of a weird name anyway, you think? Okay, skate with Santa and Halloween depends on what I get. If I get something I don't want to put outside, that will go to Halloween. Let's do this. So this will be the Halloween toy, and that will be for Santa. And that will be for my vending machine, which by default goes to my vending machine, or Halloween. See what I hear at my own job.
0. 0.
It's my family calling to ask where Tim is. So I gotta play this because it's new. The toys are new. It was like SpongeBob balls before or something. Gotta play this because it's cool, but and then I gotta play for my machine. I'm not gonna play all of them. I don't trust that because it steals money in the past. Let's play this one though. That wasn't working. Okay, now it worked. When you're out of town, it's mandatory to play the duck clause. It's not my rule, come to think of it. I don't have any rules. But I do need the pirate duck for Halloween. And I'm gonna play this twice for Santa. You know what? That Tootsie Roll has no eyes. And this pirate isn't necessarily for Halloween, it's on hold. Oh yeah, I forgot. Like, oh, it's the wrong pirate duck anyway, but look, I'm gonna get it by broke. Huh, did you see that? That was nuts, it was radical. Now I get to play again, but it's not the one I wanted. I mean, it's not the one I thought it was. They're both playing music. I'll be playing this one in just a little bit. If it gives me a fidget spinner, I'll play it again. The fidgets aren't for Santa right now. I need to fill up my Halloween bins. I have some fidgets in Santa, but not a whole abundance of them. No, I'm gonna go for the eye. The Ayatollah of rock and roll. Look at Chris Jericho, folks. The Bumblebee always makes me think of Stephanie DJ Michelle Tanner. But anyway, this thing closes quicker than ours. This one's louder than ours. Ours got turned down, I think. I think I gave my sister Heidi all the reading ones. She sold those for about 10 grand. There we go, sweet. Look how quick this thing moves. If you're ever in a hurry, play this one over ours. Okay, I need to play 2 of these. One for my machine, which will be Halloween by default, and one for Santa. If we could get my quarters out, that'd be good. I already checked that. There's no tattoo on it or a sticker. It's a baseball. Speaking of Michelle, I got the Olsen twins. Very good. Now it's time to play for my machine. I'll play a ball. My machine has tons of balls right now. Oh, it's only a quarter. Sweet mama. The one at home is 50 cents. And I got 2. Huh. Look, I got Santa's sleigh. No, that might be for Santa. I might just give that, personally hand that to a kid. I didn't think that ball existed. These machines know, and I'm in the productual arts. So, yeah, sweet. So, finally, a quarter machine's providing for Santa, and I'll just give that to some kid. I'm not going to let them dig through it because it might just fall at the bottom like a woman's purse.